Hello, Chef here once again with another recipe idea, some tips for you. I got some mushrooms here. Do you know what these are? Oh yeah, these are giant portobellos, looking really, really good. So you want to select these when they're large and firm. Nice solid white stem. The gills should be nice and clean. If there's any dirt, you just brush them off. Looking really good. I'm going to do just a large dice and saute these, serve them with a pasta today. Wanted to share that with you. So for the large dice, I normally remove the stem like this. Each of these. Oh yeah, looking good. I'll move these out of the way first. And for the stem, I'm just going to give it a slice like this to start with. Okay. It's going to be more of a chop than a dice, but that's okay as long as it looks good and cooks evenly. That's what you're looking for. Okay, this is looking good. And the large cat. This is the perfect use here for a ceramic knife. It's nice and lightweight, cuts right through, very, very sharp. So right there we go. Cuts very, very easy and smooth. Okay, looking really, really good. I'll be back to show you some more of this. Of course, we're putting some garlic. I've got 3 large cloves here. Thor's hammer. Oh yeah, so easy. Really, really nice knife to use for this process. Okay, just like that. Be back to show you the recipe. Okay, for this particular recipe, I decided to keep some large pieces here as well. Just gonna brown these up a little bit and then reserve them. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to remove these from the pan. I'm going to repeat, this time with the garlic. and we let it cook. Oh yeah, I got this awesome porcini fettuccine from a friend of mine, so we're going to try this out here. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm going to roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade cut. Just like that. Some of that's going to go on my pasta, of course. Yeah, notice how sharp that knife is and how nice this cut is there. Looking really, really good. Okay, plating up this pasta here. I'm going to put a little bit of this porcini fettuccine right here on the plate. Touch more. Just like this. Okay. Got some of the Portobellos we're going to put around the plate. Like this. Oh yeah, looking really good. Got some of these large pieces we're going to put across the top like this. A little bit of the chiffonades going on top right there. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Gotta have that. And to finish, we're going to put a little bit of this fresh basil right here too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Smash that like button. Let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Once again, support your sponsor. All the tools used are in stock with the sponsor right there. Subscribe right there. Have a beautiful day. Get cooking. Oh, it's gonna be good. For you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Okay, I got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking, try the recipe, have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find.